Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the G.Skill Ripjaws DDR5 SODIMM series RAM, specifically the 48GB single module kit. If you're looking to boost your laptop's performance, especially for demanding tasks like video editing, gaming, or running virtual machines, this might be exactly what you need. This particular kit is the F556OS4645A48GX1RS, a single 48GB stick designed for laptops and notebooks. It operates at a speedy 5,600 metric tons S with a CAS latency of 46-45-45-89 at a modest 1.10 V. This is DDR5, so you're getting the latest memory technology, which translates to faster data transfer rates and improved overall system responsiveness compared to older DDR4 modules. One of the key features is its support for Intel XMP or Extreme Memory Profile. This allows you to easily overclock the RAM to its rated speed of 5,600 metric tons S, provided your laptop's motherboard and CPU support it. If not, it will still run at the default JEDEC profile speed, which is still a significant upgrade for many laptops. Now let's talk about the capacity. 48 gigabytes in a single module is quite impressive. This is ideal for power users who frequently work with large files, run multiple applications simultaneously, or need ample memory for virtual machines. Gamers who want to load games faster and experience smoother gameplay will also appreciate the extra headroom. It's important to note that this is unbuffered, non-ECC memory, which is standard for most laptops. ECC memory, which includes error correction, is typically found in servers and workstations where data integrity is paramount. For everyday use and even demanding creative tasks, non-ECC memory is perfectly fine. G.Skill has a solid reputation for producing high-quality memory, and the Ripjaws series is known for its reliability and performance. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, make sure your laptop's motherboard supports DDR5 SODIMM modules and the 48 gigabytes capacity. Check your laptop specifications before purchasing. Second, and this is crucial, do not mix memory kits. Memory kits are specifically designed to run together as a set. Mixing different kits, even if they're the same speed and capacity, can lead to instability issues or even system failure. If you need more memory in the future, it's always best to buy a new match kit. Finally, remember that the rated XMP frequency and stability depend on your motherboard and CPU capabilities. While the RAM is rated for 5,600 metric tons S, your system might not be able to achieve that speed. It's always a good idea to check your motherboard's QVL or qualified vendor list to see which memory modules have been tested and verified to work with your specific motherboard. In conclusion, the G.Skill Ripjaws DDR5 SODIMM 48GB module is a fantastic upgrade for laptops that support DDR5. It offers a significant performance boost for demanding tasks, thanks to its high speed and large capacity. Just make sure to check compatibility with your laptop and avoid mixing memory kits. If you're looking to maximize your laptop's potential, this RAM is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.